Okay, let me explain from the beginning everything. Basically, you have two files, right? But you have to submit one file. Remember this. Okay, you have to submit one file in one project. I mean, documentation and the project. In what way you're gonna submit your code, I will let you know later. Okay? Is it a zip file? Is it only APK or something else? I will let you know. So you have two files. The first one is learning aim A. So here you just have to investigate mobile apps and mobile devices. It's exactly the same as in website development assignment. In website development you had to compare two websites, remember? Yes. Same thing. Here you're going to create online shop. That's why you have to compare two online shops. Mobile apps, okay? At least two. You can compare more than two, but at least it should be two. And I suggest you to compare one bad and one good online shop. It makes your life easier, okay? Okay, so what kind of online shops do you know? Zoom, AliExpress, Amazon, yeah. Okay, good. Okay. Yes, OLX is also online shop, yes. What's the biggest alternative of OLX?
AliExpress?
No. AliExpress is selling new products, right?
Yeah.
But OLX is used products, right? So, international online company which sells used products. They don't use OLX in America, right? What do they use? Amazon has used products? I think eBay, guys. Yeah. So eBay is good. eBay is good. It's very good company. Because they have new products, they have. So if you say, let's search for something. What we're gonna search? Tell me. Sneakers. But I don't know whether they sell used sneakers. Not chocolate, okay, Zubair? Okay, see, here they have condition here. If you click on it, they have pre-owned as well. So I don't. Let's see pre-owned. Let's see pre-owned. But sometimes Amazon cannot deliver to Uzbekistan. Sometimes, what's the second biggest one? They cannot deliver to Uzbekistan, but eBay, most of the time they can deliver to Uzbekistan. Their logistics is very good. So. What's going on? Yes?
Can be there like fake brands?
I don't know. I have no idea.
For example, like Puma, not Puma, Coleman.
I know what you mean, but I don't know.
Dolce Banana.
Okay, this is used. $29. 29. So this is used. So basically you can sell your own stuff as well here. It's not only for, it's not B2B or B2C. Sometimes it's C2C, customer to customer, just like OLX, okay? So what's the difference between Alibaba and AliExpress?
Alibaba is Chinese version.
AliExpress?
Express.
Sorry. Mirasham?
First one is Baba.
Second one?
Express.
Oh, now I know. Yes, which one? Which one is to B2B? No, Alibaba is to B2B, AliExpress is to B2C. So in Alibaba you cannot buy one item. You can, but mostly they just buy like in containers, big amount. Guys, is it clear? You just have to get 2 online shops. There are many of them, and just compare which one is better, just like in website development. Okay? Okay, then you have criteria here. P1. So they use different terminologies here, and it's very hard to understand, but basically explain how the purpose of a mobile app and the needs, preferences, and the characteristics. Okay, so basically you have to identify your user, which is your target audience, and you have to identify their characteristics. Okay, we talked about it in the previous semester. For example, old people, young people, women, men, kids. Basically, they characterize rich people, educated people, less educated people. For example, the eBay's target audience is less rich people, right? Because they can buy used products, right? For Amazon, it's more richer because only new products, for example, right? And then you have to explain why, because of some of the characteristics of the target audience, how the design and functionality of the online shop is changed. So because of the users are buying, should be able to buy and sell their own products, they use this kind of functionality, right? And this kind of design, for example, right? In Amazon, it's totally different design, more luxurious design, so you have to talk about it. Then P2, explain the impact of current technologies on the design and implementation of mobile apps. This is not comparison, this is overall explanation of how different technologies affect their design. So different technologies are, first of all, Flutter, and also we have React Native, we have Xamarin for cross-platform applications. Or we have native development, which is for Android is what? Kotlin or Java. For iOS is Swift. Okay, so you have to compare which one is better. The first lecture, basically, which one is more expensive, which one is less expensive.
Flutter is a bit slower than.
Yeah, you have to talk about that, but with details, okay? Overall. And then analyze how the implementation and design of mobile apps is affected by the intended user, current technologies, and the purpose of the app. So now you choose 2 online shops, right? Identify what kind of languages they use behind the scene, okay? And then and then analyze, was it a good choice? What kind of advantages did they get by choosing this technology, blah blah blah. And then evaluate how the effectiveness of mobile app implementation and design are affected by the intended user, current technologies, and the purpose of the app. Now you have to evaluate, you have to give your own opinion, what would be better choice, for example. So this is more about your own professional opinion, just like before. Okay, that's A. Now we're going to talk about B and C. B and C here. So here the B is Figma and C is coding, just like before. Okay, so I created this project myself, requirements, to make it as easy as possible for you. Okay, so everything is in details. Just follow the steps. Everything is explained here. Okay, basically you just have to have only 3 pages. Only 3 pages. In home page, this is your first page. You just have to display all the products. Okay, all the products. No database, no API. Just create list of products yourself. Okay, just like we did with books, with WhatsApp contacts, with to-dos. Okay, so then each product should be displayed in a card, not list style. I don't want you to use list style because list style will give you a very small image, right? I want a big image of a product, so I want you to create a container. Okay, card is a container, big image, title, price, etc. Okay, so and have image, title, category, and price. Category is what? If you go to online shop, you can see the categories. You see here, category. So we can go like this. You can go to sporting goods. Then it will show only the products of sporting goods. Would you buy it for $27 pre-owned? $60. This one, oh my. Is it what? Is it Cheshka? You know? Yeah, it's United States. That's why it's so expensive. And you see, if you buy for 60, the shipping to Uzbekistan is 66. Okay. Pre-owned Nikkei. Okay, never mind. So you understood, right? So you have to have these kind of categories. Okay. So if you just click on that category, only the products of that category should be displayed. You see? Collectibles means what? Collectibles. Well, this is so expensive. From Japan. But from Japan it's free, you see? Shipping. Correct. So then you should have search field. Okay, we did it before just to be able to search the product by title, and then sort button by price, ascending and descending order. We did it before. Filter functionality, a drop down menu. So you have to have like 5 to 6 categories. You have to create yourself. Clothes, furniture. What else? Give me category, guys. What kind of categories we can have? Clothes, furniture, technology, sporting goods. One more. Shoes? I said clothes. Yeah. Cars? No, we don't sell cars here. Gadgets, maybe, yeah. So you just choose 5 categories, show them in a drop-down menu in homepage. If I select on specific category, only the products of that category will be displayed. Okay, this one you have to self-study and do it yourself. The rest I already explained everything actually. Okay, add button. So you just place add button somewhere, whatever you like. Make sure it's visible. So when you click on that add button, we should be able to add a new product. But actually only admins should be able to add new product, right? And actually in real life, admins, they have their own platform. And users, they have their own platform. But here, I just combined everything in one. So you have add button there. But just to make it more secure, first of all, it should go to admin login page. Yeah. Yeah. It will lead to admin login page. And then in admin login page, you just have the same login page as we did yesterday. Just 2 input fields for username and password. If the username is admin and password is admin123, then you can open add new product page. Otherwise, display a text saying username or password is wrong in red color. And then if it is correct, we go to add new product page where you have to have a lot of text fields for title, for price, for image. For image, you just have to provide the link of the image, okay, from internet. Network image. Okay, then drop down menu for categories. It should be the same categories as you have in homepage, okay, the same categories. And then submit button. So make sure your submit button is not clickable until you fill up everything. Okay? You have to fill up the title, price, image, everything. Then only you should be able to click the button. Before that, make it disabled. Okay? Then after you fill up everything is ready. You click the submit button. It should lead back to home page. Inside home page, the product you just added there should be displayed on the top. Okay? The first product there should be the product you just added. Okay? Then additional requirements. So you see, when I add new product and when I click submit, it should lead me to home page, right? Then from home page, I shouldn't be able to go back to add new product page. Okay? Think about it yourself. Make sure when you click back button in add new product page, you cannot navigate back to admin login page. So if after I log in from admin page, I go to add new product page. So from admin add new product page, I shouldn't be able to go back to login page as well. Any questions on this? Easy? Easy? Yeah, I gave you the So make sure. No, I cannot give you anything easier than this. So if I see anyone copying something, if I notice that they copy anything, any part, automatically retake. Okay, because this is so easy. We did everything. Only a few parts you have to do just self-study, which is so easy. And now, if you just copy any part, if I ask questions, you cannot answer my questions in your code, automatically retake for this. Okay? Because this is so easy. Without resubmission. Yeah, for your group specifically. Because I know you can do it. Everybody here, you can do it. Huh?
I know there are some parts now in these tasks that will be the same in
Yeah.
everybody.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
No,
For example, like
of course. But when I noticed that you copied like
you can, if
the
I,
variable names, the indentation. I know when you copy, when you don't. I know. Don't worry.
okay, so you better ask questions.
Yeah, I will ask questions. Is it clear? For your group specifically, is this rule? Designer. Sizga distinction qo'ymoqchiman-da. Shuning uchun sal bo'lsa turaveraman.
I have said that one thing to the can you check this?
Bro, how do I know if my Jordans are fake or real? Check the logo. Wait, I'll send.
You can check your Jordan brand.
Any questions?
No questions.
Ilyasbek, you were asking something? You just asked something. I was talking to Bayram Bey.
If I order something from eBay, it will come like to
Yeah, if it comes damaged, then you can return. They will give you back your money. So, is it clear about copying, guys? Yes. Sorry, please. 1 second, please. Sorry, I cannot hear. Guys, I cannot hear Lejan. Can you say it again? English.
If you push admin button, go to admin login page first. After logging in, we look at product. But if we want to add new product once again,
That's a very good question. But for now, it's okay to display login page again. But if you could do that, if you could just, after I log in once, if you next time if I press add, if you just go to the next page, add new product page, if you could do that, it would be much better. But it's not required, okay?
It's fine.
You and Absalom should do it, okay? I expect that from you and Absalom. But it's not required, okay? It's not that difficult. Just think about it. Logged in or no? True, false. That's all. That's all, okay? Actually, I should have included this in your assignment, right? Let me include it. Yes. So, otherwise, yeah, I will include it here. A, B, and I'm going to include it here. So, if the user clicks add button in home page again, not again, second time, right? Second time, it should directly go to add new product page. Yeah. So I added your question as a requirement now. It's required for everybody now. Because that was a good question. I liked it. I thought about it, then I didn't add, but now I think you can do it. No, this one will be for everybody. Don't worry. The C here, and I you see what I did? I made the typo here. Did you notice? It was EE. You see? So thank you because of your comment. Because I wanted to add new thing, I fixed this mistake as well. So thank you. So now it's ABC. Did you understand? So when I first want to add new product, I have to log in as admin, right? Then next time I don't have to log in again. Think about it. No, it's easy. Okay. Then let me explain the criteria. So where's P4? P3. Produce designs for a mobile app to meet identified requirements. So you have to create Figma design. Figma, Canva, just any platform, okay? I just need screenshots and the link, okay? Screenshots and the link for P3. And then P4, review the mobile app design with others. The same thing as before. You just have to get feedback, okay? And of course, you have to provide the screenshots of feedback, just like before. P5, produce a mobile app that meets clients' requirements. Your Flutter project. Test it, just like before. You have to test it. I'm going to send the testing table, just like you can use the same table as before I sent to you, okay? So what can you test here? Whether you can add new product, and then whether you cannot go back from home page to login page, or from new product page to login page, whether you can sort, whether you can search, whether you can filter. You have to test, like 4 or 5 test tables should be there. P7, so you have to talk about how well your app meets client requirements. So client requirements are here. All these have to just say, okay, this is my home page, this is sorting functionality, working, everything is working. Just talk about it with screenshots, and then P7 is done. Then M2 is what? Justify your design decisions here. Okay, so why you chose this design, just like before, who is your target audience, and identify, and then based on your target audience, you have to explain why you chose this specific design. Okay, why did you put button here, button there, because it should be visible, etc. Okay, then optimize mobile app that meets clients' design criteria. So just like before, you have to have optimized version. You can make mistakes deliberately in the first version, then update and screenshots. Okay, that was before, now it's after. But when you submit your code, I need the optimized version already.
So I have, if we don't have any negative comments on that,
Yeah, you make some bugs yourself.
by ourselves.
Yeah, you just break your code somewhere, okay, and then get the feedback and fix it next time. Yeah, that's what you have to do. Bureaucracy. Okay, D2, evaluate the design and optimize mobile app against client requirements. Now you have to talk more here, be more elaborative than M2, right? You have to justify. Now after you updated your design based on the feedbacks, after you optimized your mobile app, now talk about it, why the optimized version is better. Okay? D3 is the same as before. Show how you managed your time, what lessons you learned, problems you faced, how did you overcome those problems, yeah, and areas for improvement, the same as before. That's all. Questions? And please be prepared for oral exam, because I'm starting to ask questions and most of you cannot answer my questions, even the oral questions, let alone the coding part. Okay, so be prepared. For example, yes,
Can you make a list? Question of list.
that bilet boqoladi my dad. No. No, I don't know, because those questions come to my mind at that time. Based on you. I know your weak points, I'm going to ask that question from your weak points. Okay. So, question for example, Ilyas Beg, what's this? Oh. Let me ask follow-up question. What's this?
It's like passing element from home page.
Oh, Aljon. What's this? Don't tell me it's colon. No, I mean, I'm asking Ilyas Beg. Ilyas Beg, tell me what's this? Why did I put it here? It's not even semicolon. You couldn't even answer what symbol is this. This is colon. Colon. Why did I put colon?
When you put the column on the right side of home, in here the username, it's not text or it's not page.
Yeah.
It's really.
Very good. Very good. Nice. Yeah. Distinction. I didn't say that, he said that. So, good. So, this is a value we're passing, right? So, Bayrambek, what are you doing? I don't understand you, Bayrambek, sometimes. Really, you're playing games again, right? What's this, Bayrambek? What are you playing? PUBG? PUBG?
No, my friend just asked me to join the team.
PUBG?
Yes.
Bayrambek, you can study. You showed me that in first semester. You can study, but now I don't know. In second semester, you are addicted to games. That's a problem.
He changed your.
No, there's an alternative programming language that I'm just really interested in. Alternative.
Okay.
But doesn't mean I don't study the Flutter.
You studying?
No, I haven't.
Okay, good. Okay, Miran Shah, tell me what's this? No, you answered incorrectly. Okay, Muhammad Sadiq. What's this? The highlighted part. No. You already got distinction. Abdulaziz. What? Here.
Above we just put the value username above to the pass, and here we just we just خلاص شو بومسه عنو بوميده
Why? شو بومزة عنو بوميد. What's it? Okay. Okay. Sometimes you know what happens? I know you understand this topic, right? But you cannot express yourself. This is important in interview. You have to be like factual, okay?
There is not enough vocabulary.
Uzbekçe'de bu bulması anı bu muydu? Okay, yeah, but correct, Abdulaziz, correct. So let's say, can I? Okay. Look, so where else I should change, Miran Shah? I said it's Kitman. Where else I should change?
Username
This one?
next.
Correct. So basically this part. Okay, we understand that this is a place where we get the value, right? Later on we will get the value instead of this. That's why I put colon. So how do we get the value written here, right? So that's how we get. Okay, so let's go to login page dot. That was our code yesterday. And you see when I call home, now I don't just call home straight away like this because my home page is asking for parameter here, okay? So I have to pass the parameter. So I can pass anything, okay? I can pass Ishmat, I can pass Toshmat, but I don't want to hard code it myself, right? So that's why I just did what? I just did a variable name. Actually, I don't need the curly braces here. I just put variable name. So whatever my username is from my text field, it will be passed to the next page, okay? Okay, so let's say it's Ishmat. Timurjan. So look, I'm passing Ishmat. Okay, here when I call the home page, it's Ishmat. Here it's Kitman. So when I go to home page, you see, I am displaying username, right? So whatever username I get, I display it here. So will it be Timurjan Ishmat or will it be Kitman? Yes. Yeah. Okay, I'm in my homepage. In my homepage, look, I'm accepting username, right? I'm accepting username. You see, and then I'm displaying it here. Salam username. So username is dynamic, right? Right? It's coming from outside. So here I call the home page. I go to home page and I'm passing Ishmat. Here it's just a configuration. I just wrote Kitman. So when I go to home page, will it display Salam Kitman or Salam Ishmat? Why Ishmat? Yeah, can you explain? Okay, listen, he's explaining. Yes.
But I don't know it's correct or not.
Hmm?
But I don't know it's correct or not.
Yeah. Don't be afraid.
I think, can you move another bit? In is just a variable name.
Yes.
That's why the page display the h1.
Correct. So just understand. If I put yeah. What's above distinction, guys? Higher distinction. Okay. So because I put colon here, it means it's not the value. It's a placeholder for the value. Okay. The value will be passed later on when I call context go. Then I will pass the value. Okay. This is just a placeholder. This is just like a variable name. Just like Ilyas said. Okay, so it will display hello Ishman. So whatever I pass from here will be displayed. Okay. Okay, so guys, you might ask, right? So which one based on this logic? Now tell me which one is executed first, AND or OR? AND is executed first, okay? Understand, if you put just AND, actually you can do like this, right? To understand better. But even if you don't do it, AND will be executed first. It's just like a multiplication, and OR is just like a plus, okay? So it's second priority. Okay, today's topic. Oh, I didn't stop my explanation here.